the second vector, the third vector, fourth and fifth. And I will start to see if the rank will hold or will be redundant. So I will start to hold them in the reduced echelon form, multiplying the first row in a negative and adding it on the third row. This is what we will have. Then I will start to make a replacement, taking the third row to be instead of the second row and making vice versa. So I will end up having something like this. Multiplying the second by -1 and adding on the third row, I will have this matrix. Remark that the third and fourth row are identical, so one of them will be eliminated. So the rank of f plus h is going to be 3. So now I can find the intersection. So the dimension of f intersection h will equal to dimension of f plus a dimension of h minus the dimension of f, okay, plus h. So dimension of f is 2, dimension of h is 3, dimension of f plus h is 3, so you will end up having 2. This is the intersection. So this gives us that the first question is not correct. Here is the values. Now we will make the substitution, dimension f, dimension h, minus the dimension of their addition, which is 3, 2, minus 3, which is going to be 2, as I told you. Comparing this with what's given will develop, of course, the results that we are talking about. They are not already correct. Going for B, he's stating that h is 1, 0001, and so on. All I have to check if the set is linearly independent. So I will take these vectors and I will check for independency. Rank equal to 3, which means they are linearly independent. And they can span the vector space in R3. So actually H is a same subspace. This gives the basis indicates that any vector in H can be evaluated from this set of vectors. So x1, x2, x3, and x4. It's going to be alpha times the first vector, which is 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, and 1. This is for H. And the beta for 0, 1, 1, and 0. And gamma for the third vector. These are the values of x1, x2, x3, and x4. Okay, this is the given set. Once more, verify the vectors if they can span the same subspace. So this is the matrix that we formed previously from the given vectors. C1, C2, C3, and this is the result based on the basis given for H. All I have to do now is to try to solve these three equations and to substitute in the fourth equation. So the first equation will state that C1 is equal to alpha. The second equation, C2, will equal to 2 alpha beta plus 2 gamma. The third one, C3, equal to 4 alpha plus beta plus 3 gamma. Take this C1, C2, C3 and substitute in the final equation. It will be satisfied, which means H can span the same subspace as I told you. For H, these are two vectors, which is really very simple for C, because all I have to do is to make the substitution in G. So just take G, make the substitution. That's C equal to D and A equal to D minus 2C. You will end up having these two vectors, which is correct. For number D, F plus H equal to 4, this is completely wrong. We have it from the solution from the first part, which is 3, so this is not correct. For the last one, F is a direct sub with G. This is also really very easy to prove, since we have the dimension of F equal to 2, dimension of G equal to 2 from the vectors from the vector set. Once you start substitution, you will find F plus G equal to 3, and to make the substitution here, you will end up having the intersection equal to 0, which implies that you have a direct sum between F and G. Shabab, this is the bottom line. Thank you very much for watching. Please try to solve these problems once more. What I want to say is it will never be enough. You can have plenty of problems solved. All you want to do at the time being is to review carefully all the slides. You have a lot of problems in matrices, in vector spaces, or in the linear transformation, or in the eigenvalue and eigenvectors, or even after that in the straight line and the plane. The exam will cover all of this. The next exam, which is going to be the reset, or the, I'm sorry, not the reset, the final exam, which is going to cover the 8 chapters, starting from the first chapter to the end of chapters. I've already sent you a mock exam with the corrects with the model solution. Just go through it. If you have any questions, you are more than welcome to send me. Thank you very much. If I got time within next week, I will try to record another session, but I'm really not sure about this. So please do study well, and if you have questions, just send it to me. Thank you very much. Thank you. Enjoy your day.